Hi, this is the POCO X6 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should launch the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. You'll see here notifications, ringtone and alarms. You could just tap to one from them and to select one from the available sounds on your device or just the online ringtones, for example. Just select one from the notifications, sounds and go back to save the changes. Here you could see the media, ringtone and alarm volume panels. You could change the volumes just by slide to the left or to the right side by this way with your finger to change the volume level. In sound assistance section, we could adjust media sound in multiple apps to use media audio sources with a click on each of the switchers. And also we could here activate or turn off the control notification sounds the option. For example, if you want to adjust the volume of notification sounds separately and not with the ringtone, you should just activate the switcher. Let's go here. So here in sound options section, we could activate the turn off silent mode and to silence media in silent mode, and we could activate also the don't disturb mode to use it when device is locked, to notify about the calls from now on, anyone, contacts only, start contacts only, for example, and to notify about the repeated calls. And also we could set the schedule, the start and the end time of the D&D mode. Here we could activate or turn off the haptic feedback and to change haptic feedback level by slide to the left or to the right side this panel. And in sound effects we could change the Dolby Atoms to optimize audio quality, to change the equalizer settings and to switch headphones remote buttons. And in a single buttons here you could connect the headphones just to change the settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.